anymore because I'm 42. But still, with me. What part of Philippines are you from? Heaven? Heaven, like what you call mountain? No, Telegram link. It's no my. You search my name, Naomi Hamarolin. It's Naominjamarolin. That's my name. Do you have pants? Yes, I have. I have my short pants. Hello to my 157. Hello. Hello, Lee Johnston. Hello from Australia. Shout out. Yeah, mama single mom. Yeah, master. I can't get your account. Can you put the link in the comment? Yes, comment me there. Comment me on my video after this live. I put my link on my Telegram. Yeah, I put the link on my, there. Shake. Mommy, please don't ignore me. Please spell your Telegram name. Naomi. Then J as in jar, Hamarolin. Jamarolin. That's Hamarolin. You could have beautiful turn. Turn. Hello to my 164. True love. Hi, beautiful queen. Good evening, too. No, because you're always calling. Meet me, Seven Magar. Supriya, but what if I always long for is you? Thank you for the fairy. Things aren't easy to beautiful. Yeah. What they say? Some don't appreciate me. They say old woman. Physical. Old woman beautiful. Shake. No more shake. Hi everyone, this is me. Right, Philippines. I'm from the Philippines. Hi Sref, long time no see from you. Magarbito. Thank you, Ricardo. Beautiful. It will be too much to ask you that if you get up and take a walk, please. No, it's not. It's good. Take a walk, please. Let's see. You guys join my membership. Why you get underwear? I get my underwear. I have my Patreon, please, and my join membership also is there. Cute nipple. No, it's not. I wear bra. Push. I just text you, mommy. I really. Thank you very much. You are charmed. Thank you too. Welcome. Nangging mom. I'm sorry. It looked like you did. No, I have a strap here. Oh, look at that. Miss Standing Queen. Standing Queen, Miss See your stars standing. Standing in the car. Hi everybody. Hello. You guys, if you want me more, just go to my Patreon. Let's text you on what book. Hi to my 177. Hi Angel, hello. Hello everyone. Why is it dark? Because it's nighttime here and my son is sleeping. I don't want to disturb him. Let's be feet near to the camera. True love. Wait please. Where are you from? Philippines. Your lips attractive. Yes. Good night. Good night to Valencia. How about my eyes? Is your Telegram the same as your WhatsApp number? Yes. Are looking very beautiful. Hello, Naved. Hi. Hi, Naved.